Welcome to Guided, stories of signs, synchronicities, whispers, and waking up. This is where we meet at the edge of logic and listen deeper. Let's explore what happens when we stop forcing and start flowing. Here's Terry and the goat inside.
No, the guide inside.
My bad. Terry and the guide inside.
Guided, episode 3. You're stuck with me. There are days when we ask for signs, and there are days when we don't ask, we demand a little clarity, a little help, or just a little less cosmic nonsense, please. This one's for the days when you're absolutely over it, tired, fed up, swearing at the sky, and somehow still being heard. This is Michelle's story, one of the comments on the YouTube channel. She's had it. She's bickering all day with one of her spirit guides. It's one of those days. The signs aren't lining up, the vibe is off, and whatever this guide is supposed to be doing isn't helping. By the end of the day, she's done. She says out loud, "I want new spirit guides. That's it. Not a question, a demand." And now, the next day, Michelle gets a free tarot reading, totally random. At the end, the reader pauses, looks a little puzzled, then says, "I don't know why, but I'm hearing this very loudly. You are stuck with me." Michelle burst out laughing. Sometimes they really do have a sense of humor. I love these stories because they remind me that it isn't about being perfect. It's about being in a relationship with something bigger, with ourselves, with the guides who somehow still show up, even after we curse them out. If you got a story, big or small, I'd love to hear it. Details are in the description below. And hey, if you're ever yelled at the sky or your guides, you're not alone. You're in a very good company. I am one of them. Until next time, friend.